use pi as a 22/7. Please do it, Alina. Since we have discussed the concept which will be used in this particular question, please do it. Yeah, please try doing it. We have to find the radius, okay? A circle is there and the central angle is given as a 60 degree. First try doing it, then definitely we'll be discussing it. Are you able to do it, Alina?
No, ma'am, I can't recall the formula.
Okay, the formula is theta is equals to L by R. Now try it. Theta is equals to L by R. Angle is equals to length of the arc by radius. Use this formula. There is a catch, which I repeat in all the classes. You need to use this formula over here, but you have to be careful also. Can you tell me where exactly we have to be careful?
Central angle?
Central angle, that is given as 60 degree. So we will be using theta as a 60 degree.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it so? We are having the formula. Let me write it formula over here. Theta is equals to L by R. Here theta 60 degree? No. This formula is only applicable when angle is in radian. And from this formula, if you are finding theta in any of the question, that angle will always be in radian. This formula gives the angle in radian only. Okay, and only radian, when the angle is in radian, then only this formula will take the angle. Am I making sense to you? So this 60
Yes, ma'am.
degree, if you will try proving it, it will reject because it will not take angle in degree. We have to, we are bound to convert the given angle from degree to radian. Now tell me, 60 degree is equals to what radian? Let me know what are you getting. 60 degree if you are converting in radian. What radian you are getting, Alina?
Ma'am, I got 16 to 180 into 7 by 22. I'm doing.
Wait. From degree to radian we'll be converting. 60 degree. If we have to convert to radian, we will be multiplying with 60 into pi by 180, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay, so it will be, the angle is pi by 3. Here it's given that use pi value as a 22 by 7. We will be using it. Pi is, this is what we are getting at the place of, this is the angle. This is the theta. This angle is in radian. Okay, however, we have substitute the value of pi, but doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. The angle is in radian. Okay, we will be just placing it at the place of theta. We'll be writing 22 by 7 3 times 21. Okay, theta is 22 by 21. In radian only we have taken the angle. We are careful. We understand that this formula is only applicable when angle is in radian. Length of the arc. What is the length of the arc? Find the radius of a circle in which the central angle is this intersect an arc of length 37.4. Length of the arc over here is 37.4. L by R. R we have to find. Please find it. Elena.
1785.4 by 22.
R is equals to, we can do cancellation Elena. See. 2 to 1 times 2 to 1 times 2. 2 8 times 60 to 9 times 80. Okay. Then 2 2 times 4 to 7 times 40. Now we have to check whether it is divisible by 11 or not. Then directly we'll be getting the answer in decimal. So 11 8 times 88. If we will divide this decimal number by 11, which we can do by long division, this method also. 1 11. Even if it is not completely divisible, so what? We are having a decimal number. Okay. So we can continue 11, 1 times 11. 60 will be getting 11, 5 times 55. This is the final answer, right, Alina? Right? In centimeter or meter, let's check it. Centimeter. However, let me check it. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like you have done it correctly. One more step. Just a second, let me confirm. 21 into 187. I am getting 3927 by 11. You have multiplied 37.4 with 21, right, Alina?
Yes, ma'am.
1 4 times 4, 7, 3. 4 2 times 8, 7 2 times 14, 4 carry 1, 3 2 times 6, 1 7, 4, 785.4. That's what it says. You said you said to me 1785 or just 785, Alina.
Ma'am, I accidentally added 1.
Okay, no worries. Okay, it is 785. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
be careful. Let's do the next question. See, this is what how we got the radius. Here we just like the formula based question, theta is equals to L by R, where theta we understand. Here theta, this formula is only applicable when theta is in radian. So whenever we are finding theta from here, never ever we will be writing the theta is in degree. Okay, whatever theta you will be finding from here, if suppose the same question is there, L is given in the question, R is given in the question, and you are finding theta, then your theta will be in radian. And if you are putting the value of theta in this formula, then we will be careful. We will be careful that theta has to be in radian, then only it will take the value. Otherwise, it will reject it. Let's continue with the next question. If arcs, if the arcs of the same length in two circles subtends angles 65 degree and 110 degree at the center, find the ratio of their radius. Please do it, Alina.
Ma'am, L is equal to 22 by 13.
Okay, the ratio you are saying it is 22 by 13.
No, ma'am, the length.
Okay, length. If the arc of the same length, it's given that are of same length. Just a second. Yeah, it is given over there that the arc are of same length. That means length of the arc over here and length of the arc for the other circle. Here length of the arc L, here L. It is given over here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, both are same. Angles are different. One is 65 degree, one is 110 degree. Angles are different. We have to find the ratio of their radii. The same formula again we will be using, Alina. Length of the arc is same. If you are taking length of the arc as a L over here, L only you need to take over there. Or maybe if you are taking length of the arc over here X, then length of the arc X only you need to take over there also. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Same formula, the formula which we used just now, the same formula you need to apply here.
Ma'am, so L is equal to 22 by 20, by 13.
Hmm. We will be finding, let's do it. We will be using the formula theta is equals to L by R. See, two circles are there. Two circles are there. Okay, and two different length of arc is there. Two different angles are there. We have to find the ratio of their radius. Radii means radius. Ratio of their radiuses we have to find. So theta is equals to L by R over here. Theta is equals to L by R, the same formula over here. But now only I told you that this formula will only take angle in radian, right? Right, Alina? And here the angle is given in degree. So we will be focusing on converting it in radian. So nothing, we know that into pi by 180, hence it's in radian. Into pi by 180, hence it's in radian. Little bit of simplification, whatever is possible, we will be doing over here. So 5 1 times 5, 5 3 times 15, 5 3 times 15, 6 times 30. 13 pi by 36. This angle is 13 pi by 36. And this 110 degree became 11 pi by 18. Any confusion so far, Alina?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now we'll be putting the angle at the place of theta. That is 13 pi by 36. For now, we are not putting pi and all. L is L only. R radius, like we are having a radius over here, we are having a radius over there, but we are not going to represent both the radiuses by R. Okay, let's call it R1, let's call it R2 because radiuses are not same. R1, and here also theta is equals to L by R. So theta is 11 pi by 18 is equals to L by R. R is R2. Now, now here we can find R1 is 36 L by 13 pi, right, Alina? And R2 is 18 L by 11 pi, right? What we have to find? We have to find R1 by R2, the ratio between the radiuses, right? So 36L by 13 pi by 18L by 11 pi. Okay. Now fraction by fraction we are having. So we understand how to do the simplification. It will be 36L by 13 pi into what will be there, Alina? What will be there?
18L by 11 pi.
No, into I have written. Division, I must write division 18L by 11 pi. This division sign we can convert to multiplication in the next step, and then it will be reciprocal, right? Do you know that, Alina? That in fraction chapter there was a concept that 2 by 5 divided with 8 by 3. We don't know what to do over here, but we understand that we can convert it to multiplication and this will be 3 by 8. The very next fraction will become reciprocal and then division sign will get converted to multiplication. The first fraction will remain as it is. Do you know that, Alina?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we will be converting to multiplication and hence it will be 11 pi by 18L. L and L gone, pi gone. That's why we have not put it like the substituted the value of pi. We are having 36 into 11 in the numerator. Still you can see 18 and 36 will cancel out. Now we will do so what? Okay. And you have got this answer only, right? You
Yes, ma'am.
have got 22 by 13, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. This is how we'll be doing it. Perfect. Let's continue. Just a second. The minute hand of a watch is 1.5 meter long. How far does its tip move in 40 minutes? Please try it, Alina. Are you getting what to do? Yes, Alina, let's discuss it. Are you trying it? Yes, are you trying it?
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing it.
Okay, do it.
Ma'am, it will be 144000 radian.
Okay, let's check it. Okay, let's check it. The minute hand of a watch is this much long. Okay, how far does the tip move in 40 minutes? I that means we have to find here the length of the arc, right? The length of the arc we have to find. How far does the tip move in like 40 minutes? How far it will move? So length of arc we have to find over here, right, Elena? Now to
Yes,
solve
ma'am.
this question, we need to understand one scenario. That is, suppose we are having a clock. Okay, 12, 6, 3, 9. A clock we are having. So suppose here I am writing 11. Here I am writing 10 also. Suppose now it is 11. Okay, this is the small hand and this is just a second. Now it is 11 a.m., 11 p.m., whatever. The time is 11 right now. Okay. Now this this minute hand, this minute hand, like it will take one complete revolution. That means how much minute it will cover? One, two. It like to complete one revolution. This minute hand, can we say it will cover like 5 minutes from here, then 5 minutes from here, then 5 minutes from here, then five total like for completing one revolution, the minute hand will cover 60 minutes. Okay, one is equals to one complete revolution for minute hand. Yes or no, Alina? Minute hand will just move, just complete one revolution and again will get back to 12. That means it has total how much minute it has taken? 60 minutes. In 60 minutes it has completed one revolution. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So we can write in, we are talking about minute hand, okay? In 60 minutes, minute hand, minute hand complete complete one revolution. Okay, Then in 40 minute, we have to see in 40 minute what it will do. So it's like we are going to a shop and the shopkeeper is saying us that the price of 60 pieces is this much. Then the 40 pieces price we are trying to find, or the unitary method. Can we write like in 1 minute? In 1 minute it will cover 1 by 60. Can we say revolution? Can we say Alina?
No, ma'am.
No, we cannot say. Let me write it for one revolution. Let me write it 360 degree. One revolution means 360 degree. 60 minute, in 60 minute hand it's covering how much, what angle? 360 degree. Okay, one complete revolution it is doing in, at like what is the exact time it is taking? 60 minutes. Okay, so in 1 minute it will be covering the angle, that is, can we say the angle will be 6 degree? Can we say, Alina?
Yes, ma'am.
We can say that, right? Now in 40 minute we have to find, no? In the question specifically it is mentioned that 40 minute. In 40 minute. Okay, angle is not given in the question, but since we are talking about the clock, we can take the complete angle as a 360 degree anytime. So in 40 minute it will be 6 degree into 40. That means 240 degree. Yes or no, Alina?
Yes.
Okay. Now here what we have to find? We have already realized that we have to find the length of the arc. And what is the minute hand? Minute hand of the watch is 1.5 meter long. The minute hand of a watch is 1.5 meter long. So can we take the radius for this scenario is 1.5 meter, and it is covering like what angle? That we have already figured out that it is covering the angle 240 degree. And then we are having one magical formula, theta is equals to L by R. But we understand that in this formula degree will not be accepted. Yes or no? So
Yes,
we
ma'am.
will be converting this degree in radian. So it will be 240 into pi by 180. Let's do the cancellation because it is possible over here. 2 1 times 2 to 2 times 4. 2 9 times 18. Still 3 4 times 12. 3 times 9. So it is coming out as a 4 pi by 3. Check it. Check it, Alina. Is it coming as a 4 pi by 3? 240 degree when we are converting it in radian. Are you getting the same, Alina?
What is theta?
240 degree. See, just see the steps. At first, see the step and let me know whether it is making sense to you or not. In 60 minutes, the minute hand will cover like 360 degree. One complete revolution in 60 minutes. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
That means 360 degree. In 1 minute, 360 by 60. In 40 minutes, whatever we have got from there, 6 degree into 40, that is 240 degree we are getting. मिनट हैंड 40 मिनट में 240 डिग्री कवर कर रहा है. हाँ या ना? एक्चुअली करता है. इन आवर क्लॉक इट डज द सेम, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
यस. यहाँ जो 240 डिग्री है उसको हम लोग कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं किसमें? रेडियन में. बट so to just convert it 240 degree in radian and let me know what I get.
4 pi by 3.
4 pi by 3 we are getting. Okay. Now angle we know. Here angle is 4 pi by 3. Radius is what? Radius is what? Let's read the question. The minute hand of a watch is 1.5 meter long.
1.5 meter.
So we can say the radius is 1.5 meter long. Okay, let me write it over here. Radius is 1.5 meter long. Okay, and angle theta is, we have found the angle in radian, that is 4 pi by 3. 4 pi by 3. Now we will be finding the length of the arc. Please do it, Alina. Let me know what are you getting.
Ma'am, can't we use 22 by 7?
Yes, anytime we can use. We are allowed. Pi means 22 by 7. Pi means 22 by 7. But pi radian means 180 degree. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Length is 2 pi.
Length is 2 pi. Let me check. Theta is equals to L by R. Theta is 4 pi by 3. L is, we don't know. R is 1.5. Now only you ask me, can we put the value of pi over here? I say to you, yeah, why not? So let's put it. L is equals to 4 into pi means 22 by 7. 3 is already there in the denominator. 1.5 will also sit over here. Okay, let's keep the answer in terms of pi. Oh yeah, no, this is the length of the arc. Okay, angle, if it would be angle, then we can keep answer in terms of pi. But this is the length of the arc. We must find it in meter. Okay, so we will be finding it. Anyway, we have to do the
Ma'am, length
calculation.
is 44 by 7.
But this 0.5 is still there, Alina. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
4 2
Ma'am,
times 8, 4
I
2
think
times 8. Oh yeah, you said it correctly. 44 by 7. Yeah. Length is 44 by 7. We will be converting it in decimal and it will be, oh, 7 6 times 42. Yeah, 6.2 something will be the meter long, will be the length of the arc. Getting it, Alina?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me take the next question. Just give me a moment. Okay, so one of the question, if I'll give you the logical question, find the angle between the minute and hour hand at 7:20 p.m. Okay, if this is a MCQ question, I'm just pointing the options also. Let's say we are having 90 degree. Let's say we are having 95 second option. Option C 100 degree and option D is 115 degree. Okay, at 7:20 p.m. if we have to make it in a clock, here is 12, 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12. Yeah. Angle between minute and hour and when it is 7:20 p.m. Okay. The minute hand will be here, right, Alina?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, exactly here at 4. Okay, and hour hand will be where, Alina? Think about it first and then we'll be doing it.
It should be at 7.
It should be at 7. Try it.
Ma'am, it's 90 degrees.
Is it 90 degree? Is it so?
Yes.
Just a second, let's check it. Minute hand, we are sure that minute hand is at 4. Okay, hour hand, exactly it will be at 7, Alina. At 7:20 p.m. exactly it will be at 7.
No, ma'am.
Then then it will be a little bit ahead of 7. Yes or no? In between maybe 7 and 8.
Then it can
Yeah,
be 95 or 100.
exactly. It will be maybe 95 or 100 because little bit variation will be there in the angle. Okay, it will not be exactly at 7. However, why I am making it so big, it will create confusion. It will be little bit ahead of 7. Okay, not at 8, but in between 7 and 8. Okay, that's how the clock works. So we have to find the angle, and yeah, maybe it will. So total this hour and will make one complete revolution. This hour and will make one complete revolution, that means 360 degree in 12 hour. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if now the time is 7 accurately 7, again it will be 7 after 12 hour, right?
Yes,
Right,
ma'am.
Alina? Okay, so just a moment, let me check whether this approach will work or not. So our end, here we can write the unitary method like this, just like the previous question. In 12 hour, our hand will make one revolution, that means 360 degree. Okay, in 1 hour it will make, or we can just make it reverse. Just a moment, let me check. 360-degree hour and will make previous way only it will work. Okay, so in 1 hour it will make 360 by 12, that means 30-degree. Okay, we don't have to think about 1 hour, we have to see in 20 minutes. Okay, in 20 minutes, what is the angle, right? Right? Just a second. Let me check with pen and paper, like which approach will work over here. So we can write it. 1 hour means 60 minutes. In 60 minutes, it will make 30-degree. So in 1 minute, it will make 30 by 60. And in 20 minutes, it will make 30 by 60 into 20. Yeah, the same thing. Just a moment, no. Let me just cancel them out and let me check. $10. Yeah, it will make 10-degree extra. Alina, 90-degree you are saying. Okay, 10-degree extra it will make, because from it is not accurately at 7. If it will be accurately at 7, Alina, then we can say that 90-degree is the angle. But it is not accurately at 7. Okay, so it is little bit moved from 7, and we are trying to figure out how much it has moved. The hour hand. Okay, hour hand, I mean the hour hand. So just like the previous question, we are taking that hour hand will complete one revolution in, it will complete one revolution in 12 hours. Yes or no? Yes or no,
Yes,
Alina?
ma'am.
Okay, in 1 hour it will make 30-degree. Yes or no?